It's Friday, April 23rd, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. For the third week in a row, home services remains in the number one spot as they dominate the top categories. Legal trails behind in the second position, with the gap between the first and second spot widening even further. Insurance falls behind legal again this week, while personal insurance remains in the fourth position. Financial services follows closely behind as it continues to climb the top categories list. Next, we have our top offers. The Aragon Advertising IRS Tax Debt Relief Campaign has overtaken the niche legal campaign for trucking accident calls from NetFly for the number one spot this week. Addiction and rehab related campaigns continue to dominate, claiming 5 out of the 20 top offer positions. Other campaigns making strides this week are the auto campaigns, with 6 out of the top 20 offers being vehicle related. This vertical, as well as addiction rehab related campaigns, should be on every paper caller's radar of industries to investigate. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Next, we have our top networks. Hyper-target marketing continues to hold the number one spot, while LeadSmart follows closely behind in the second position this week. Aragon Advertising remains in the third spot, trailing behind the two leading top categories. eLocal is steadily climbing the top networks list, claiming the fourth position. OfferGlobe exploded on the top networks list, going from last place to claiming the fifth position. We're excited to see where they'll land next week, as their upward trend is quite striking. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest trends in the paper call industry. Paper call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Justin Gacina, a paper call industry super affiliate. What are some strategies you use for campaigns on search, and what is the number one thing you wish you knew before you started running Google paper call ads, Justin?
So as far as strategies, I say the same thing to everyone. Google's really simple. Pretty much you got to give the searcher exactly what they're looking for. Be very relevant. If someone comes to the search and they type in, toilet repair near me, don't just say, plumbing services, but actually tell them, toilet repair. And, if they typed in a town, let's say they typed in toilet repair Boston, you're going to show them the ad toilet repair Boston. Because when they get to that search page, what is their eye going to catch first? Toilet repair Boston, we're in your area, call now. Or, general plumbing services. And if you want to stand out from your competitors, show them exactly what they want. Be relevant from their search to the ad to the landing page. Make sure it all says the same thing, all says toilet repair Boston, and urge them to call, because you need to do that. Tell them to call, and you'll see your numbers go up. Just be very relevant and then tell them to call. And that's really it. Google Ads is very simple. The second question was things that I wish I knew. The main thing, I guess it goes with any business. You got to spend money to make money. And when I first started, I thought, if a campaign didn't work right away, that I had the incorrect setup and that it was never going to work. But that's not the case, because even to this day, I lose money on just about every campaign I start loses money, sometimes a lot of money before it works, because you have to figure out, you have to look through the data, you have to adjust your bids, you have to get your negative keywords, you have to find out what works. It's a competition. Other people have been in it a long time, and if you're just entering, you're going to have to pay your dues. You're going to have to spend some money to figure out what doesn't work, so you can kind of get away from that and then lean towards what does work, and ultimately you'll see your numbers go from losing to break even and then ultimately to profit. So yeah, you got to spend money to make money. So that's something I wish I knew. Don't give up if it doesn't make money right away. Just keep plugging away at it.
Thanks, Justin. Now we have our paper call opportunities. WeCall, a paper call marketing network, is looking to buy pest control calls from qualified paper call publishers. If you're interested in working with WeCall, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com. Rate Marketplace, an insurance and financial services consumer acquisition platform, is ramping up traffic for search, display, and SMS and are looking for auto insurance buyers with plans to diversify into life insurance, home insurance, Medicare, and under 65 health. If you're interested in working with Rate Marketplace, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Ringba product updates. The Ringba team released new functionality for generating credit card invoices and downloading credit card receipts. To view and download your invoices, go to Billing Settings in the main menu, scroll down to Transaction History, find the month you want to download, and click the Export Invoice button. To learn more about Ringba's new invoicing functionality and to stay up to date with Ringba's latest product updates, visit our changelog at updates.ringba.com. News and announcements. In industry news, health insurance advertisers in the US are now required to pass their Google Ads certification. If you're running pay-per call campaigns for healthcare, this is something to ensure your clients and business are in compliance with. Advertisers can apply for the certification on May 3rd, 2021, and have until June 2nd, 2021 to obtain their certification or otherwise risk their ads no longer being served on Google. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.